has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, Iroquois County in east central Illinois, Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Southern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:35 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located near Lowell to St. Anton 9 miles east of Clinton, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Watseka, Kentland, Milford, Morocco, Lake Village, Ruth Lawn, Sheldon, Goodland, Brook, Cessna Park, Hopkins Park, Buckley, Shelby, Martinton, Stockland, Crescent City, Loda, Beaverville, Woodland, and Donovan. Including the following interstates: Interstate 57 between mile markers 264 and 273. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 233 and 241. This includes US 41 Dragway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.